I'm Morgan.
And I'm Omar.
And welcome back to your favorite broadcasting show,
BNN.
Tennis won with an overall score of 18-12, so let's wish them a good job.
Drill team is also having a fundraiser with Gents on December 2nd.
So go get your butt cakes from them.
Come to Sherman High to see their Pioneer Band perform at the All District concert.
An amazing work to cheer for making us very proud of their showcase.
Feeder has a big performance coming up, so go to SMS to support them.
Now let's take a look at last week's Veterans Day Assembly.
And now for a special edition of Meet the Pioneer Staff.
Welcome to Meet the Pioneer Staff Special Edition. I'm here with Mrs. Pacina.
Good morning.
She is our SISD's Chief Academic Officer. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions?
Not at all.
Can you tell our Pioneer Bearcats what your job responsibilities are?
So it sounds like a really big title, but essentially I go to every campus in Sherman, so pre-K through our high school, and I look at all the great things that are happening with our teachers and how they're teaching, and ultimately how students are learning. So really everything teaching and learning in Sherman ISD.
That's cool.
Yeah.
How long have you worked for Sherman ISD?
I have been in Sherman ISD for 22 years. I taught as a first grade teacher and then dyslexia therapist. I was assistant principal. I've been a principal at Washington, Dillingham Intermediate, and then Pioneer Middle School, and now Chief Academic Officer.
Nice. How do you go about doing your job each day and every day?
If I do not put it on a calendar, it just does not happen. And so I have to look at and be actually a week ahead of time. And so I'm building out where I'm going, what classes I'm going to, what PLCs or what principals that I may be meeting with. So everything goes on a calendar.
What has been your biggest accomplishment?
Gosh, I think as a principal, just seeing kids grow and learn and how they enjoy being at school and just the great things that they do. And now going to the high school, I see kids that I had at elementary that are now seniors about to graduate, and so that's exciting to me to hear about the things that they're going to go on and do after high school, going to college or in their careers, and so that makes me really happy. So.
Yeah. Now that you are the Chief Academic Officer, would you ever switch back to a campus principal?
Absolutely, and so that's one of my goals before I retire. I would like to come back and be a campus principal because I really do love being a principal. I love being with kids and getting to see them every day and interact. And I may even go back into the classroom because I really enjoy teaching reading.
Nice. Thank you for your time.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome.
And now it's time for your favorite foods made easy with Omar.
Today we are making a $1, a $5, and a $10 cup of noodles. For the $1, we're going to grab some instant lunch cup noodles. Then we're going to pour some hot water into it. And now taste test time. Not very good. For the $5 cup noodle, we're gonna grab some Indomie, pour the flavoring packet in it, and some hot water. While we're waiting for that, let's cook a sunny side egg. Put some salt and pepper into it. Once you have all that done, you're gonna assemble your pot of noodles. So I'm just gonna put some egg. I'm gonna put my seaweed, and I'm gonna put some sesame seeds. Taste test. It's mid. Hey, wait, hey, where are you going with my food? Hey, come back. No, bruh, get a load of this guy. For the $10, I grabbed some shim ramen. Put the flavoring packet in and some hot water. Next, you're gonna grab a pan, some olive oil, and start grilling some chicken. Next, you're gonna start assembling your pot of noodles. You're gonna put some seaweed, some egg, some chicken. You're also gonna put some green onion. And while you're at it, put some sesame seeds in that thing. All right, taste testing time. That's pretty good. Now time to wash this all down with some prime. Whoa. Hey, that's my prime. Give it back. No, my prime. Bruh, get a load of this guy.
Well, that's all for now.
And remember the big three: respect,
Responsibility.
and safety. Don't snooze on the news.